Let's look at a Moodle page resource. So a page resource is a resource that allows the instructor to be able to create content that is displayed as a single scrollable screen to the students. Within the content, you can include links to videos, images, and so much other content types. To add the page resource, go to the specific section on your course. In my case, I'm in the week 7. So I want to add a resource type called the page in week 7. Click on the Add an Activity or Resource link. Select the Resource tab in the Activity and Resource Chooser, then select the resource type called the page. Include the name of the particular resource, the page itself. So my resource is on, change the topic, so it's on Bloom's taxonomy. So that's the name of my resource, which is the page. So the page is called Bloom's taxonomy. So I can put in a description. So read through the resources on the Bloom's taxonomy. So the resource is on Bloom's taxonomy. Under the page content, I can put in my content, the Bloom's taxonomy. So I can just type in the content, or you can copy and paste it from a resource. For example, you have it in some Word document, you can copy sections of the content and paste it here under the page content. So you can also include a video link to your resource in your page content, and you can embed it. The way to embed a video within your page content is to go to the YouTube channel, to the specific video where you have identified or which you have identified. Click on the share link, then select the option embed. Select the embed option and copy this embed code. Once you've copied the embed code, come to your page content, select this option to reveal more icons, then pick this last icon and paste the embed code that you have just copied from YouTube. Then you can be able to save and return to course. So what we've done is we've added the page content, and within the page content, we have embedded a video. So let's look at our page. So this is our page. So our page has content on the Bloom's taxonomy, and it has a YouTube video embedded. So just give it time for it to load. So there is our page. So it has content and even a video embedded into the content. So students can read through the content and even watch the video which is embedded within the content. Let's now look at the label. The label is a resource which you use to actually put up content which is displayed on the course homepage. So all this information that is displayed on the course homepage is a resource type called the label. As you have noted that we have been given courses that already have a template. So all we need to simply do is go to the specific label and edit the label so that we can replace the content with the relevant content for our courses. Once you edit the label by editing the content within the label, you can click Save and Return to Course. In some instances, you may require to add a label to either one of your topics, or you have added a new topic and you want to create labels on that topic. So let's see the process of adding a topic and adding a label to a topic, since the sections that we have been provided for already have labels added with templates. So let's proceed to the very last topic of our course. which is the last section. So let me jump to the last section of my course. At the very last section of my course, I can add a week. So click on this link indicating add week. So we note that we have added a new week, a new section in our course, which is a new week. And you note that the week is empty. It doesn't have a template like the other sections. So we are going to add the template by adding labels. So you click add an activity or resource, then you select the resource tab and select the option label. Put in the template content. So in this case, this is week 13, and you can put the topic title, include the duration of the week. So this is 3 hours. Put the introduction. You can make the introduction to be bold or make it a heading. So make it a heading. So you can type in the introduction of the topic there. Once you're done, click save and return to course. So note I have added a label and I've added this particular information which is appearing on the label. Let me add another label. This second label, I'm going to put the topic learning outcomes. So the learning outcomes, I can make it into a heading, or make it even bold. So I can begin by the end of this week, you will be able to. Then I can list my objectives or the learning outcomes. Let me make this to be bold. So I can say describe, explain. So I can put my objectives. Once I've done that, I can click save and return to course. I can add another label of my learning activities. So I've put in the introduction, the learning outcomes. So let me add another label. That label, I'm going to put the learning activities. So learning activities. So this is, can make it into a heading. So activity 13.1. Okay, I can describe my activity, then click save and return to course. So that is how you actually add a label. And you notice the label provides that particular information that is displayed on the course homepage. Notice this, we have put the label which has the introduction and the duration, the learning outcomes, the learning activities. So the information that appears on your course homepage, this information that is appearing on your course homepage, we usually add it using the label resource.